watching you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ayana. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're not, welcome back. As always, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. So as you can see by today's title, we are doing a maintenance vlog. So I did go ahead and get my natural hair treated, trimmed, and I got a braid down because I know I was going to install this wig. And I did show you guys the install of this wig from Luvme Hair. This is a 4x4 headlighted bob wig, and it was super versatile, super easy, and low maintenance. Like it literally, I just literally colored the lace and pop it on my head, as you can see from the tutorial. So yeah guys, wig easy to put on, not gonna lie. So yeah, this is really bomb. The hair is really soft, and that is one thing I can say about Luvme Hair, because it's probably the third time I've worked with them. Their hair is always soft and nice. The lace is always thin and melts into your skin. So yeah, I do love this wig. I did opt for no baby hairs because it's a closure wig, you know, it's a bob. I just wanted to give a grown sexy look. So yeah, so for today I need to go get a pedicure done, and I think that's all. I need to run some other errands that's not related to this video. So I'm gonna get my pedicure and then come back and chill. And then tomorrow I have all my appointments booked. I have my eyelashes, I'm gonna get my nails done, and also I'm gonna get a facial. I have been to this esthetician before, but it's not something that I can afford all the time, so I do it once in a while. I do want to start getting it more often, just to take better care of my skin and to just, you know, achieve my goals with my face and stuff. So I am excited for that. So yeah, let's go get our pedicure.
It's been a hot minute. 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 Lips are telling me yes. Why you kissing on my neck? Making me feel so. Should I stay? Should I go? I don't know. You have voice down, drive me wild. But in the back of my mind, I know. I wanna see how you put that thing on me. I can't let you
Hey guys, as you can see, I just got my nails done and they look so good. They're not white. I'm not sure why it's coming off as white. Hold on. I'm trying to make sure you guys can see them. Yeah, I'm not sure if you're able to see the color any better, but they're like a baby pink kind of color. But yeah, so I just got my nails done and I just pulled up to my next appointment, which is I'm getting a facial. So it's 4 minutes until my appointment time, so I'm gonna see if I can find the suite and let's go get pampered, baby, period.